Hi, this is Tom. I'm going to show you how to format data in Google Sheets. So I found this tweet and it has some data that I want to copy. So I'm going to copy it, Command C on Mac, Control C on Windows, and I'm going to paste it into a cell. Now that the data is not pasted the way that I want it straight up and down. So you can click here and you can do split text into columns. And we can do detect automatically. Or we can do space, but it's still in a row. It's not how I want it. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna copy. After I copy this, I'm going to paste it into a Google Doc. And now I'm going to recopy it, go back to my spreadsheet, paste it in. Okay, now everything is in one cell and I want to split them. So I'm going to paste it in, go here, split text into columns, detect it by space. So now that split everything out. Now it has these these colons here, so I need to get rid of these. So in the first cell, I'm going to remove it, and now I'm just going to pull that blue box and go straight down. And now I have two columns of data. And then you can highlight both columns and then click the Explore tab. And then it gives you a nice chart. The problem is that there are no labels. So let's go fix that. We'll highlight again. Pull that chart in. It has the labels. And we can go in here and we can edit the chart if we want to. We can add a description. And that's how you format text in Google Sheets.